Hello, my name is Marcus Mazza. I'm a mechanical engineer with Robson Forensic, where I'm the head of our technical services department. Prior to joining Robson, I spent most of my career in the auto industry as an automotive engineer. I began my career at Daimler Chrysler, working both within the Chrysler Group in the US and the Mercedes Car Group in Germany. I've also worked in the automotive testing sector, owned and operated my own repair facility, and later worked as a senior engineer and subject matter expert for the US military at the Aberdeen Proving Ground. When beginning with Robson, I was a member of the Crash Reconstruction and Automotive Engineering group. The types of investigations and the analysis we performed required a large number of cutting-edge tools and advanced software programs. Through collaboration with other experts at the firm, we saw there was a huge opportunity to extend these technologies to other disciplines. This led to the establishment of our technical services group. We work seamlessly with all the groups within the company, and we can also contract our services directly to our clients. We offer services like laser scanning, CAD design and layouts, photogrammetry, video analysis, drone services, 2D and 3D demonstrative creation, virtual and physical demonstratives, 3D printing, and we're constantly adding more to that list as the need or opportunity arises. We also work closely with Robson's laboratory services team, assisting in the creation of testing protocols, test setups, instrumentation, and conducting physical tests. These technologies and services can be used to memorialize evidence, extract accurate data from limited sources, analyze data in ways that would otherwise not be possible, and clearly demonstrate all aspects of a case. The world is changing. Technology is rapidly developing all around us, and at Robson, we're staying ahead of the curve by providing state-of-the-art technology to our experts and our clients.